Alright, so here's my plan. I'm gonna grind these 3 rivets off. Couple bolts in there, mount that in place. Then I just got a big eye bolt and a carabiner. So the eye bolt will go through the bumper. And I got different washers and bolts for along the way. And it'll go in through, I'll drill a hole here. It'll go into the tunnel with that, and then washer there, washer inside the tunnel, double lock or whatever. I got a bunch of stuff to do it, but I think that will work out quite well. So we got to drill through the bumper, drill through the angle iron, drill through the tunnel, and then get rid of those 3 so that will sit flat. So first we grind. Enough. Now we drill. Oh yeah. Come on. There we go, mo fishies. Custom tow hitch. This should be plenty strong enough. If I need to, I can throw a couple more bolts in, whatever. But I think that's gonna do it, honestly. Heck yeah. And just like that. So, we're gonna test this puppy out, see how it holds up on my Snowmobile Go. If you haven't checked out that video, mo fishies, go back and check out the build of this, a tear down of my Snowmobile and build of this. And then my test drive video, we'll see how well my hitch holds up that I built here. Obviously I need a better rope and probably a better sled. Those are easy fixes. We got the hard part done, and this puppy runs. Make sure you check out my video. Till next time, catch you mo fishies later.